Hello, everybody. We are doing a sick video today. It's Charles the First Remake, RIP. This is an amazing remake with lots of simplicity, wubs, and cool ear candy. Nice flow, nice pitch bend. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, hey. We've even got some reverb throws in here too. The sample packs that I use will be in the description below, and if you want this project and all the Serum presets that I created here, you can get that in my Patreon too. We're going to learn how to make this sound, this wub. And just the flow, there's some pitch bend involved too, so I'll show you all that. Then we'll get into the ear candy at the end. Let's go ahead and check out this flow. So right now this is a 4-bar loop. It starts with the sub. And this sub is just a sine wave with the LFO on it. We have this LFO like this. It's at half. So we're basically just capturing this fade up. And then I use saturation to turn it up a lot. 16 dB adds a lot of extra harmonics on it so that the sub becomes fat. That's what the sub looks like right now. This is what it used to look like. This little baby sub turns into a big boy sub. Easy. So that's how we start it. Kick and the sub. There is that vocal. This vocal, I just kind of picked any vocal, chopped up a word from it. This is you, and added a lot of delay. We did 2 delays, a 4 and an 8, which is crazy tail. And a little bit of psychedelic effect. First 2 bars, check it out. So the snare is all by itself here at the end. Sub, wub. When the snare hits, we go silent again. Do a triple wub. But all the wubs, even though it's the same note, which is F2, it's pitch bending, so they're changing. Listen without the pitch bend. And then if you see this erosion, it's turning on only at the end to add that cool sine wave. Cool little thing right there at the end. Very nice. So that's what we got so far with this. I'm going to disable the automation for now. Put this back at 0. And we're going to make this together. I'm also going to turn off all this post-processing too, so you guys hear it from scratch. There's only a couple of effects. Compression, reverb. We do have 1 filter, and we have 2 oscillators. Our LFO is set up as well. Make this shark fin. It's not going all the way up to the top. It's barely underneath. And check out this silence that's here as well. Add another dot, pull it down here, and make this shark fin. It's at a quarter note. You're going to start with a sine wave first. Go -2. Remember, our note is F2. This will be -2. PD from B is on, going up 57%. LFO goes on, it goes backwards, -7. And this will allow oscillator B to be heard. Oscillator B still off. Turn this level all the way down and add the LFO going all the way up on this level. We'll get the Wubby sine wave sub. Then add a -1 default shape sine wave. We're going to get bend minus and kind of change the shape just a little bit. -18%. Sync is on here too. You can move these knobs as much as you want to create your own custom wubs, but right now it's on -18. This wavetable position is on 2, just the default shapes. Levels all the way down. The only reason we hear this is because the PD from B is on. So before, after. Filter goes on to kind of clean up some frequencies, cut off all the way down, and the LFO goes up 62% to clean it up, tighten it up. That's the foundation of the wub. Add compression, get a little bit loud, 3 dB gain, and add the reverb for that tail. Our size is at 40, and our decay is at 2.3, mix is at 20. That reverb is doing some heavy lifting. Simple patch. We are on 2 and -2 pitch bend range, just so you know, not going too high. Now this is quiet, -24, so we're going to add the saturator, pumps it up 13 dB, 53% dry wet. We get a lot of the gain from that. EQ8 is also boosting at 39 Hertz, and it's doing a high shelf at 1.7 thousand. The erosion, remember, this is on sine wave at 88 amount, and this is being automated just here at the end. So make sure it only works for the end. Pitch bend. Since it's on 2, we're not getting too much pitch bend, but we're just going up 0.78, 0.24 here, negative 8.4, I'm sorry, negative 0.84, and then 1.37. And you see these different pitch bend shapes: up, high, high, low, high. And they're all slightly different, so they have their own unique flavor. Lastly, I get this EQ8 and I remove all the sub that was in the sound, because we're going to make our own separate sub. That's about it for the Wub. The Wub is very simple, easy. And like I said, if you go into those warp modes, we can easily make our own new Wubs. And then you can even use that in combination with the sync knob. This increases pitch. So we have a lot of different variations there. Easily, Von Cheesily. Remember, this preset will be in the Patreon if you need it right away. No worries. Now the sub is just basic sub, right? We have this shape, shark fin, going full blast. It's on the level, going up 75. No effects. And then we have a saturator going up 13 dB before saturator. Super quiet. And then with it, we get that gain we need. I'm just kind of measuring this sub. We got negative 13 lefts. We can even get higher than that. This song itself is kind of quieter. We're at negative 9. So if I wanted to turn up the whole song's volume, that sub would also go up as well, getting closer to the limit. The limit on that sub is like usually negative 8 lefts. But that's about it for the main sounds. At the end of the loop, we have this little bass fill section. So just a bass one shot that I picked at random, and then like a cool sound effect sound. Those go like this. The kick is real simple. And then the snare has a reverb throw on it. So you'll see at this snare, we get that long reverb throw. And I make it last all the way to the next snare. It ends at that snare. So listen, dry, and then wet. So that adds a lot, helps with the transition in the middle. Reverb throw is crazy. And then lastly, sound effects, ear candy. Little whisper at the beginning with the U. Some footsteps. Just like Foley, and also a soda can opening. And a sweep. Try to listen to that. It's all helping with the flow, you know, starting on the snare, starting before the snare, and everything's transitioning with each other. Simple, yet effective. Wubs, getting them deep and clean at the same time. That's what we need to proceed. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Just hit me up on DM, Instagram, or Discord. I'm working on a lot of things right now. So in the comments, let me know what videos you want to see next. And don't forget, keep making them bangers. Thank you all for the support. Road to 10K. We're about to hit it. See you guys soon. Peace.